In the oops concepts of Java programming language, we are going with the next concept that is called as an abstraction. So what is an abstraction means the process of hiding the implementation details and showing the functionality of the program to the end user is called abstraction. So here what we are doing means we are hiding the implementation details. Whatever the application we are developing, those application details will be hidden, and we will be showing only the functionality, how it is working and how to operate. So if we are using this application, what is the purpose by using different kinds of navigations and options and all. So abstraction is one of the key concept of Java, where we have several advantages by using abstraction concept, where the important data will be hidden from the end users and will be shown only the functionality of the application to the user, right? So if we want to achieve abstraction in Java, we can achieve abstraction in two ways. So we can achieve abstraction in two ways. So first one is by using abstract class. Second one is by using interface, right? So here abstraction can be achieved in Java by using two ways. First one is using abstract class, and second one is using interface, where we can also call this abstract class abstract as non-access modifier. We are having a set of modifiers, right? Access modifiers. So those are access modifiers, but coming to abstract, it is a non-access modifier in Java, right? Access modifier in Java. And coming to interface is a major functionality where we can achieve abstraction 100%. Coming to abstract class, where by using abstract class we can achieve abstraction concept up to 100%, not completely 100% we can achieve the abstraction concept in Java. Next, by using the same interface, we will be achieving abstraction 100%. Why is the doubt or the question is also having an answer, we will be discussing in later. And so previously when we discuss about inheritance concept, there we cannot able to prove multiple inheritance by using a class concept because we are getting an error, right? So at a time the parent classes are inherited by a child class is commonly inheriting both the parent classes or different parent classes. So there will be some type of confusion will be created in the time of compilation. So that's why we are not uh, proving multiple inheritance by using class concept, but using interface we can achieve multiple inheritance concept, and that also we will see in this tutorial. Okay, so first we will see what is an abstract class. So here, discussing about an abstract class, the class which is consisting of abstract keyword will be called as an abstract class. Okay, where what is the difference between this abstract class and normal class means abstract class will have abstract methods, it will be having, and also apart from abstract methods, non-abstract methods also it will be consisting of, right? So when we will be calling a method as an abstract method means if the method contains only the declaration but the implementation of this method will not be done in the same class. Okay, the class which is consisting of abstract method will be called as an abstract class, right? And every abstract class must and should contain at least an abstract method, right? Apart from abstract method, an abstract class also consists of non-abstract methods. Okay, so this class, that's such kind of class will be called as an abstract class. So the abstract class will be having abstract methods, and also it consists of non-abstract methods, right? So how we will be achieving abstraction, that means hiding of implementation data and showing the functionality, we will be seeing in the Eclipse workspace. Okay, so let me move to Eclipse. Okay, now we will be creating a package. Let me create a package for proving abstraction concept, and we'll be naming it as abstraction concept, right? So in this abstraction concept, I will be creating a class. So we'll be naming it this class. The previous example, animal, dog, cat, this example only we will be taking into consideration. So I am taking the class name as an animal, and here I am just creating the class. So here there is an option, you can see there is a keyword called abstract keyword, and if you want to create a class that is called an abstract class, you can check this box, right? Now the class will be created with a keyword called an abstract keyword. Okay, so here the class will be having an abstract keyword, and whenever we are creating an abstract class, the class will be having a method, right? Let me create a method, public abstract void each. Okay, so here abstract method, we can only declare the abstract method inside the abstract class, we cannot implement the abstract method in the same class. So immediately we will be getting a doubt that then where this abstract method implementation will be done. The abstract method implementation will be done in the child class which is inheriting this abstract class. Okay, and apart from this class, we also, apart from this abstract method, we also have another non-abstract methods also. So public void sleep. Okay, let me take sleep, and this will be having a body. So let me take the body. Here the we can take the sample statement, the animal is sleeping. Okay, and we can also mention that it is a non-abstract method, non-abstract method. Okay, so here we have created the animal class. Let me save one non-abstract method, one abstract method we have created. Let me create one more method, one more abstract method, public abstract void play. Okay, right. So let me create one more class, and let me create a dog class. Okay, this dog class will be a normal class, right? So this dog class will be a normal class, and let me create this dog class. So this dog class should implement or sorry, this dog class should extend the parent class, that is nothing but abstract class. Then only we can implement these methods which are there, create the abstract methods which are created in the abstract class, right? So extends keyword, let me take extends keyword, extends animal. Okay, so immediately when we connect both the classes by using extends keyword, then we will be getting an error that what is that error? Add unimplemented methods. The methods which we have declared in that abstract class should be implemented in the child class immediately, right? So until your implementation completes, the error will be raising here. Okay, so let me create public void. We have to override that method, we have to create the same method which is created in the parent class. That means we have to duplicate that method. So first one is each, right? Let me create the same method, system.out.println The dog is eating. Okay. Next, public void play. System.out.println, the dog is playing. Right. So we have successfully implemented both the methods that are there in the abstract class, and now we also got erased of this error. Okay. So let me take one more class that is called main class. So we have to execute these methods by calling them, right? So let me create a main method also, right? So in the main class I am creating an object for the child class. So if you observe here, the parent class, that means the abstract class, will be having a condition that it does not have any ability to create an object for this class, because there are the methods that are just declared, not implemented. Okay. So then the here the parent class is not able to create an object. If we try to create an object for this class, then Eclipse will be raising an error. That means you will be getting a compilation error. Okay, automatically we will not be getting any output. Right, let me come to the main class, and we'll be creating an object for the child class, right? So we don't have any option to create an object for the parent class. Okay. So dog. Right. So dog dot, that means it can create, it can call the implemented methods, and also it can call the non-abstract method that is there in the animal class sleep, right? Sleep. Next, dog dot okay, play dog dot it. Right. So successfully we have achieved abstraction by using an abstract class. So here, why we cannot achieve 100% abstraction by using an abstract class means, in the abstract class, by using this abstract methods, we are hiding the data. So the implementation of this method, that means the body of this method, where it is, this will be in the background in the dog class, where it is only available to the programmer, where this will be the face of the interaction for the user. And if you see, this eat method body will not be shown to the user, that means end user who is using that interaction screen, right? Play method also there here, and play method also will not be having the implementation details, they are hidden in the dog class. Okay. So with eat method and play method, the end user cannot do anything because the data is hidden. But coming to sleep method is having the body, that means there is a chance of end user to edit this method, right? So he can change the statements, and he can change the body of the method, and he can do whatever it is. So the abstraction definition is that we can hide the data and only show the essential implementation, only the functionality of the application, right? But that concept, the definition is not 100% satisfied by using this abstract class. That's why we cannot able to achieve 100% abstraction. Okay. Right. So we'll be moving with the next concept that is called interface. So first of all, what is an interface? Interface looks similar like a class, where interface will be coming with a keyword. Interface can be created by using a keyword called interface, right? Interface only consists of it only consists of abstract methods. So there is no chance of creating non-abstract methods. Interface allows only to create abstract methods only, right? So that's why we are calling it as an interface. Okay. Right. So here, if we want to inherit a class, with another class, then we will be using a keyword called extends keyword. So one class can be extended by the other class. That means if you want to use inheritance concept, suppose, okay, let me prove this point by using Eclipse workspace. Okay, let me create an interface. Okay, sorry, here it will be in the class option, you will be having an interface. So let me create an interface, and again I will be creating an interface that is called animal. So it is asking, it is saying that animal is already existed, right? So I have created an interface called animal, and this animal interface will be having public. Okay, let me change this interface name. Refactor, rename, elephant. Okay, so I have changed this name to elephant, right? Public void. So here in interface we are allowed to create only abstract methods. So whether you can it is optional that you can keep an abstract method, abstract keyword, or you cannot, you don't want to assign an abstract keyword. If we are not assigning any abstract keyword in the method name, then it also acts like an abstract method only. So here if you see public void. Okay, let me take a method called sound, right? So here, if you see, if I haven't added any abstract keyword in the declaration of a method, and I am trying to create a body. That means you will be getting an error that change sound to default. Abstract methods do not specify a body. If I am creating a method in the inside the interface without an abstract keyword, that acts by default like an abstract method only. So the abstract method does not require any body. Right, so we have to remove this error. Okay, next let me create one more method, public void play. Okay, so we can create multiple number of abstract methods in interface. Whether we can, it is optional. If you are assigning the abstract keyword also, it does not raise any error, right? So whether we are keeping or not keeping the abstract keyword, that method acts like an abstract method by default. Okay, so this is an interface, and I will be creating a class. So, and here also we are getting a doubt that we have declared a method, but where will be the implementation of this method will be done, right? The method implementation will be done in the child class, which implements this interface. Okay, so which implements this interface, where previously if we are having a parent class and child class will be inheriting the parent class by using a keyword called extends, where now the child class, if it want to inherit the interface, then it is used by a keyword called implements keyword. Okay, let me create a child class. Mm, baby elephant. Okay, now implements baby elephant implements elephant, right? So immediately when I implements the um, interface, the main parent interface, the child class is automatically getting an error. That means must implement the inherited abstract methods. So the what how many abstract methods we have created in the interface, those abstract methods should be implemented here, right? So we'll be implementing these abstracts. Okay, public void not eat so baby elephant is sounding. Okay, here we got play. Right, take a sample statement. The baby elephant is playing in the ground. Okay, now we have implemented the methods which are there in the interface by implementing the interface by using child class, right? If you see here, this will be the face of the this will be the interaction screen to the user, where user will be having an option or the functionality like sound. If we click on this sound button, it generates the sound, that it generates a statement or a sound. That means he cannot able to edit this method, or he cannot able to override this method, right? Here also the same play method also is there. That means the user don't have any chance to edit this or override this content. He just wants to, he just will be accessing those functionalities, that's it. So that's why interface, that means interface achieves abstraction concept 100%. Okay, let me create the main class. Okay, we are having already the main class, right? So in this main class only I will be creating object for java be is equal to new keyword baby elephant, right? be dot, so be dot means you will be getting play. So next be dot sound, next, that's it. So if we execute this, you'll be getting the baby element is playing in the ground, the baby elephant is sounding, right? So this is about in abstraction concept. Abstraction can be achieved by using abstract class and interface, where abstract class can achieve abstraction concept up to 100%, where interface will be achieving abstraction 100%. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do like my video. Thank you.